Now, since we talked about the promotions, I remember one press conference that you were at where Prakash Jha took your face in his hands and he actually turned your face away from Katrina because you kept looking at Katrina throughout the press conference.
No. What it was Katrina was saying something and I remember she was answering a question which we've heard so many times and we have a little joke about it. So he thought that I was going to really tease her again or make fun of her. So that's why he did it.
Okay.
So again, that's misconstrued.
Oh, okay, fine. But I mean, how is the audience to know what the reason
Absolutely,
was?
I don't blame them.
Okay. Well, since I do remember you also had mentioned to me once that you decided at some point that you don't want to talk about your personal life. Now, you are obviously aware of the talk because, I mean, I can figure out from what you're saying that you're aware of the rumor surrounding you and Katrina. It's just that when Prakash ji did that, I personally, as someone watching, thought that it was something that everyone knows could be misconstrued, and therefore, doesn't it bother you because you're a star, she's a star,
Absolutely.
there is talk.
I understand it's a responsibility that you have as an actor is that there is a sense of people will judge you for whatever you do, and but somewhere you get tired of putting up a facade. If Katrina or Arjun are my friends, I don't want to pretend like they're not my friends and just be this guy who's not me, and I've realized that over these 2.5 years that I've been in this industry that I don't want to put up a facade and I don't want to really play act. Even speaking to you, this is what it is, this is the honest thing. You accept me for my work and the movies that I do, not for what I do, beyond my movies. That's my personal life.
Was there ever a point at which, I mean, you've been around, what, 3 years now?
It's 2.5 years.
2.5 years, yeah. Was there ever a point at which you were play acting because you felt you were?
Of course, when you start is because you have so much of attention, and I'm not Jesus Christ. You want to protect few things you say, few things you make mistakes, you hide, but
I mean, surely you must do that even now. You make mistakes, you don't necessarily want the whole world to know.
I don't speak about it, but I try and be as honest as I can. I try and be myself. As long as I can be myself, as long as I can answer a question honestly. If you ask me something about, like we were talking before, if you ask me something about politics, and if I don't know, I don't want to give you a politically correct answer. I want to give you an honest answer saying that I'm really sorry, I don't know about this.
Ranveer, the politicians in this film, the actors who are playing politicians, from observing them, who do you think that they have modeled themselves on?
I don't I can't speak for other actors, but where I'm concerned, because I'm not a politician in this film, I'm somebody who's behind the curtain, so I really didn't have an inspirational character or a face. It's something which me and Prakash, we had a vision for it, and we just flowed and we tried to do it as spontaneous and as organic as we could.
Would you describe your character in this film as an out-and-out evil guy?
No, I think all the characters are real characters, and because they're real characters, everyone has grey shades which are very transparent in this film. So I don't think I'm a negative character, I'm not a villain, but we all are real characters.
Okay. One of the things the censor board has made you all change in the film is, there was a sentence, what is it? Vidwa vote le jayegi?
Correct.
Which has been made into?
Bitia.
Bitia, right? Obviously, it's their fear of,
absolutely. I think
of a reference being made to Sonia Gandhi, right?
So I think Mr. Prakash was generous enough to actually change it himself, and it was a voluntary thing that he said, that he's saying I will change it because I don't want there to be confusion about anything, because this film is not about, it's not based at all
when you say voluntarily, meaning before the censor board asked for it?
He told them that
okay.
I can change this.
Okay.
And he has changed it from Vidwa to Bitia.
Okay.
Because she plays a daughter of a rich Indian industrialist.
Okay, but she is also a widow in the film.
Yes.
What is wrong with someone describing her then as, I mean, I don't like that word, but it is a word that is used in our country.
I think you should ask the censor about that.
But don't you get...
Or the political parties in this country.
Don't you think it's ironical that in a country where so many people, in fact, I've been talking to some members of your cast and they said, they model themselves. And Arjun told me, for instance, he observed Milind Deora, Rahul Gandhi, Sachin Pilot. Isn't it ironical that someone like Rahul Gandhi, who is perceived as a youth icon and who's perceived as a very modern guy, and yet so often the Congress party has been responsible for curbing freedom of expression in our country and the freedom of artists like you and Prakash Jha?
Absolutely. I mean, if America can make a movie like Fahrenheit 9/11 at the time of George W. Bush still in White House, I don't understand why we can't depict real life politicians or the politics of our country. If I ever have to make a movie on a political leader, I won't be able to, because they won't let me. They'll have 100 things to say, and I think it's all because of a facade. of a certain image, that people think this might be an expose or this might tarnish it. I'm not pointing fingers at anybody. I'm just saying that it's the country's sentiment right now. There is no freedom.
Country sentiment or censor board sentiment
Sorry.
or political class sentiment?
Yeah, a political class sentiment, and I don't think we have the freedom to say what we really want to say through our movies. There is a censor board, and there are higher powers which involve themselves in censor board.
Doesn't it make you angry?
It does. I think more than angry, it frustrates you.